Zoe, you did so good.
I can help you eat acorns.
You can help me eat acorns?
Yeah.
Okay. Shuck corn?
Yeah.
Okay, go get your chair. Go get your chair so you can help me. Oh, you can do letters?
Yes.
Okay, where is the Z for Zoe? Good job. Where is the O? Good job. And where is the E? Excellent. Oh, put the E behind the O.
This one?
There you go. What does that say?
E-O-E.
What does that spell?
Spell E-L-O-E.
I know, but what does that spell?
C-O-E.
Whose name is that?
C-O-N-E.
How do you say it?
C-O-E.
Zoe.
W.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.